Okay, tonight I'm making some snapper fillets, and I'll be making it with a fennel, some red onion, some red capsicum, tomato, a little bit of anchovies, some chilli. I'm also going to add some Brussels sprouts. I'll put things together, and all the ingredients and the method will be in the description. Okay, I've sliced my fennel, I've sliced the onion, the red capsicum, the tomatoes, thrown in the capers with the anchovy, some chilli, and I've also thrown in the actual Brussels sprouts. And now all I'm going to do is mix that together, and I've topped that with the oil. So give it a good mix, and then it's going to go in the oven for about an hour at approximately 200 degrees Celsius. So we'll come back in about an hour when this is all gone in. So just give it a really good mix, and then it goes in from there. I almost forgot to mention that the glass of white wine goes over the top of it to add some moisture, and obviously salt and pepper. Now that's ready to go into my oven at 200 degrees for approximately 1 hour. And once that's done, that's when we'll put the fish through. Okay, an hour later, the vegetables are there. Now I take my snapper, sits on top, nicely like that. So as you can see, it's just covering the vegetables. And I will take olive oil, I'll pour that over the top just to add a little bit more oomph. And it goes back into the oven for 20 minutes. So we'll take it from there. Okay, as you can see, 20 minutes later, the snapper is ready. And so what we'll do is onto the plate. And then a little bit of And for those who are vegans, if you don't put in the anchovies and the fish, you've got a beautiful mirror pot of vegetables, and it's smelling awesome. As you can see there, they're homemade crisps, and served with a little bit of the fresh bread and garnish with parsley. So, bon appetit everyone. This should be awesome.